Good afternoon, class 6 student. Today we will start computer class, and the name of computer book is Snapshot. So we will start first chapter of computer book, Computer and its languages. So we will start the first chapter, and the name of the chapter is Computer and its languages. Now, humans use a language to convey their outlook and thought. You know very well that humans use language to convey their outlook and thought. Whatever we thought in our mind, we use language to communicate with others. Computer too has a language. As we humans are having the language, the computer also has a language. And we need to learn that language to converse with the computer. If we want to communicate with the computer, we have to learn the language of computer. The computer has to be given directive. Directive means instruction to follow its every action. The computer has to be given directives. The computer has to be given instructions to follow its every action. Now, program. A set of directives which command the computer to perform its action. What is program? Set of directive. Directive means instructions which command the computer to perform its action, whatever actions the computer perform. Second is programming. Set of precise directive in computer language. Set of precise means brief, directive means instructions in computer language. Each lingo of a computer has a precise sets of instruction. Every language of computer is having precise set of instruction. This word is precise. Precise means brief. There has been an expansion in the programming of the computer language. Now, there have been changes. There have been expanses in the programming of computer language. This has enhanced. Enhanced means improve the skills of the programmers to write the computer programs in better, more effective and precise way. Now, the skills of computer programmers is also get improved. It get improved. Now, computer programmer is able to do the work in better, more effective and precise way. Precise means brief. Now, computer language have been classified into 4 categories. Now, computer language have been divided into 4 categories. First is machine language, second is assembly language, third is high level language and fourth is fourth generation. Now, we will study one by one. First of all, machine language, first generation. Binary form is the only language understood by the computer. See class 6 student, there are lots of languages in computer like Java, C++, COBOL, PHP, but computer understand only and only machine language. That language that is made of 0 and 1. It is expressed in 0 and 1 where 0 denotes off status and 1 denotes on. It understands only machine language. Machine language, they are binary form, 2 digit, 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. Just like the switch of your fan. It is in on and it is off state. Similarly, high speed and very low memory consumption are significant. Significant means important features of machine language. High speed and low memory consumption. What are the important features of this language? High speed. It works on very high speed and it also consumes very less memory. It is an important feature of machine language. Learning any language is difficult and time consuming. Learning any language is very difficult and time consuming. You know, it is very difficult to learn any language. The same is the case with machine language. C class, it is very difficult to learn machine language. The programs written in machine language are complex. Complex means difficult to write and clear up. The programs which are written in machine languages are very difficult to learn and very difficult to write. This language is dependent on machine. This language is depends on machines. A program written on a particular machine may or may not be functional on another machine. Now class, another problem with this language, suppose a program is made on one machine, but it is not any confirmation that program will run on second machine. Thus, people generally do not go in for the machine language as their area of interest. That's why computer programmers, they do not like to go to study machine language as the part of their interest. The machine language is also known as low level language, LLL, yeah, triple L. The machine language is also known as low level language. We will keep our class up to this topic only. Thanks.